Testing, testing. Okay, perfect. Had a bit of had a little bit of issue with the internet early on. Um, so before we have almost 50 minutes until this hour closes, so we're really trying to. Having a little bit of an internet issue here, so hopefully we can get that sorted out a little bit. Um, okay, anyways, let's just go ahead and break down our charts. We are gonna start on the higher time frames actually. Uh, right here, we're gonna start on the daily time frame. Okay, looking at the daily time frame, we're starting to push down now. We have a support level formed at around 1807, right over here. So it kind of pushed up, broke above the Friday's candle highs, and now this daily candle is pushing bearish. So we could potentially fill this wick over here, which is how big is this wick? Probably a 200 plus pip wick. So we're gonna see what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. Start over the clean chart. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we have looks like we've made a fake out towards 1813. Created some sort of support level over here. Resistance level at 1813. We have pushed below and closed below. The previous four cannot close below the support level right over here. We have the current four cannot broke below the previous four candle. Right here. Let's see. Let me bring this to the side. So we have this previous four candle close below this resistance over here at around 1807 650, and now we have this four candle currently um bearish right now. We have 2 hours until this four candle closes. I think we could potentially drive a little bit further down. Um, let's see. Yeah, based on the forward time frame, I think we could potentially push a little bit further down at this point. Potentially coming down to this next support level right over here at around 1790. We are now almost coming towards the 1800 area, so we could potentially retest that area in the next couple of minutes or hours. It depends, but our potential target on the overall target for the daily on the daily time frame is potentially at around 1790 area right over here. So our overall bias now is bearish. So we're only going to be looking at bearish moves. We have looking at the 1 hour time frame. This is perfect. Okay, looking at the 1 hour candle. Looking at the 1 hour time frame. Based on the 1 hour time frame, let's get rid of everything, all this noise. We have this 1 hour candle currently trading below this previous support level area that was formed during Asian session, Asian Open actually, right over here, just above, just below 1805, just above 1805, right over here. We have a support level right over here. So we have the 1 hour candle closing in the next couple of minutes. We have been falling since pre-London. So if we continue this bearish momentum, we could potentially come down to 1799 right over here. How many pips away is this? So this is more 46 pips away. So if we can have this candle closing just below this resistance, the support level at 1805.30, we could potentially drive a little bit further down. So let's see how it closes in the next how many minutes. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, things are a little bit choppy on the 30-minute time frame. We already have this. Yeah, we have this previous 30-minute candle close slightly where the support level area is at. Now we have the current 30-minute candle closing in the next 3 minutes below this support level at around 1805.30. So we could potentially have a pop down over here right now. So let's see how that plays out. Oopsie, oopsie. Right here. I think if this closed bearish, I am definitely expecting this next 30-minute candle to pop down, something like this. We're also approaching pre-London, pre-NY, pre-NY hours, so we'll see how that plays out. So before we have almost 50 minutes. So I'm really hoping I can take an L today. I've been waiting for the past 1 week, and I think I'm getting way too ahead of myself. So hopefully we can take an L today. Looking at Forex Factory, we have so today is Monday. Oh shit, we have the USD bank holiday. 4th of July. I don't know if I should be taking this trade. I just realized we have a USD bank holiday today. So I'm really contemplating taking this trade right now. We don't not to I didn't realize we had a bank holiday today. Okay. Oh, there we go. If we could come up potentially retesting 1805.30, that would be great. I will. Oh man. Yeah, I will probably take an early entry right now. Yeah, I have a really good feeling about this. Hence why I'm taking a very early entry right now as price is retracing up, anticipating this candle to flip bearish. So my entry right now is at let's see, 1804.49. 1804.49. Somewhere here. My stops are above the previous 30-minute candle. I'm really gonna be targeting. I'm gonna be targeting the 4 lows actually. The 4 lows are at 1700. Yeah, I'm really gonna be targeting the 4 lows 1700. What level is that? Actually, 1790. Actually, 1790. Right over here. This is gonna be my overall target. And I'm gonna be securing positions at 10, 10, 11, 12 pips as usual. This is a US bank holiday. So 1807. Okay, I'm gonna be securing I'm gonna be securing positions at around 1803 50, 1803 40 area. 1803 40. Yeah, 1803 40 area. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be securing positions and then I'm gonna let my runner run. Hello chat. I have 2 people watching right now. Show some love in the chat, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Took an early entry based on the fact that we have this previous 30-minute candle and the 1 hour candle also closed below this resistance. Sorry, the support level at 1805.30. So I'm really anticipating this 30-minute or the 1 hour candle to really like drive down at this point. But this bank holiday, US bank holiday. This is the 4th of July, US bank holiday. So um, not too confident in this trade, but based on the high time frames, the 4 time frame, the daily time frame is also bearish. I think we have potential for this for price to potentially drive a little bit lower now. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, looking at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I'm really anticipating price to be driving a little bit lower now. So we'll see how that plays out. Um, oh shit, I really might get stopped out now. Shit, shit, shit. Yeah, bro, but like, I pretty much got a little bit impatient there. I really might get stopped out. I might get faked out again on the 1 hour time frame. We have very nice structures on the 30-minute time frame. Sorry, the 1 hour time frame. But the Ronald, I'm really hoping I get an L now, so I can just call it a day. I've, last week was full on, like, never really had a losing day last week, or losing session, that is. So if I can take an L now, that would be a great character building day for me, because um, I've been really getting ahead of myself with the wins. It's really messing up my head. This is not my full risk, by the way. This is half my risk. Um, I took this trade on the anticipation that it will come back and flip bearish. So once it flips bearish again, then I'm gonna enter my full risk at that point. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy if we get stopped out over here. Um, it's an amount I'm willing to lose, so that's fine. I'd actually be happy if we get stopped out. Very happy calling this. I'm very happy to call this a losing day. The stop loss is actually at 180707, not 01. 1807. Yeah, bro. Like it's I didn't realize it was bank holiday today. To be honest, I totally forgot it was the 4th of July. Um, I wasn't really on the charts during Asian session. I got on the streams, but then when I wanted to do my analysis, I had a friend come in, so I was busy talking with him, so I never really traded Asian session. Then during London session, I went for another house inspection and went to the beach after that. So I just got on the charts and I realized we have a bank holiday today. So I'm not gonna be, actually I'm not gonna be adding any more risk. I'm just gonna leave it at half risk because I'm not sure if we're gonna have volume coming in. But yeah, not sure if we're gonna have volume coming in. So mm, Almost all my trades have been taking out for the past 1 week. Even this trade, as soon as I execute it, I get straight into drawdown. So it's gonna be another character building day. We are in drawdown at the moment. So if we take it now, we take it now. It is what it is. It's fine. It's a bank holiday, so I would advise not to take full risk. Take full risk on this one when you're entering a trade, especially on gold. Take half a risk, half your risk. But Toronto has an order in the market, bro. What, is it on gold or what? To be honest, I actually hope I can. Not hope, but really anticipating taking a loss on this trade. I have 5 viewers right now. Thank you guys for tuning into my streams. Appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in, watching me take an L. Yeah, bro. Like, if we don't come down to 1800 again, we are definitely pushing up. Yeah, bro. We could definitely push bullish now. This could be a fake out, potentially drive higher. We might get stopped on now. We have 14 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes, and I'm really hoping we can respect the previous 30 minutes candle high. Um, if it breaks the previous 30 minutes candle high, then I wouldn't want to be in this trade. Thank you, brother Ronald. Yeah, catch up on IG, bro. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate it, bro. Have a good one. Otherwise, we catch tomorrow Asian session. Cheers, bro. Yeah, bro. I mean, based on the forward time frame, how the previous forward time how the previous forward cannot close. Let me just pull it up, like right over here. So this is the 4-hour candle right now. Like this previous 4-hour candle close below this support. Shit. The support level at 1807,650. So I'm really hoping this 4-hour candle drives down. Doing something like this. Like just pop down a little bit. Potentially retesting this support level over here. But seems to be retracing at the moment. I'm really not comfortable in this trade anymore. Really, really not comfortable anymore. Hopefully the previous candle high can be respected. Ronald has buy limits a fair bit low. Is it on the support level on the 4-hour time frame? Oh shit! My withdrawal went through. Honestly, shit. Yeah, we're definitely taking an L on this trade. Thank you guys for tuning in to watch me take a loss. He almost got taken out. We have a few more pips. Yeah, there we go. And I just got taken out. Very nice. Yeah, there you go. First loss in a week on the streams, and we're gonna call it a day. This is a character building day. I'm very happy to take this loss. Just as when we take a win, when we take a win, we are happy. When we take a loss, we're also happy to call it a day. You know, the important thing is not the important thing, but it's just price could. We can have price falling right now. Oh shit! What's happening here? Oh, there we go. So our stop loss just got hit. So today is not a losing day; it's a character building day. Even when you take a loss, looking at hindsight, um, my mistake was I should have waited for this 30-minute and the 1-on-1 candle to flip bearish. I was actually I took a trade on a retracement, which is pretty impulsive, but it is what it is. I mean, right now, if price doesn't respect the previous 30-minute candle highs, then it could potentially push bullish at this point. So I really don't want to be in the trade at this point. See, it's pushing bullish. Um, so it is what it is. Pretty much calling it a day right now. Not gonna overtrade, not gonna over risk. It's only Monday. We have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, we have Friday. So we're not gonna try to overtrade. We're not gonna try to over risk at this point. It's only Monday, so this is the only trade for the day. It's a losing trade. So thank you very much, everyone, for tuning in. Ronald has buy limits a fair bit lower, so maybe you could potentially update us on this on your if your trade works out tomorrow morning during Asian session. But thank you very much, everyone, for tuning in. I appreciate you. I have 25 views so far, and currently have 6 viewers watching right now. So yeah, I am actually gonna call it a day right now. I'm gonna go spend some time with my family since it's going towards half 9:30 p.m. So I'm not gonna look at the charts anymore. Calling it a day. Cheers, everyone, for tuning in. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the likes, for the views. Um, I'll catch you guys doing Asian session tomorrow. Definitely streaming Asian session tomorrow. Most probably London session. I only hopped into the NY streams, took the trade on the NY streams because I didn't really Trade earlier today during Asian session and London session. This is pretty much an impulse entry. Pretty much had a little bit of FOMO there, to be honest, which is my mistake. I wasn't patient enough to wait for this candle to flip, but it is what it is. Um, Moving forward, what I could learn from these losses is really wait for confirmations, very strong confirmations. What I what I didn't do, uh, which resulted me in having a loss over here, was this candle never really broke below the previous 30-minute candle. So I took an entry on the retracement, which is pretty much a rookie thing to do, but it is what it is. I took the trade based on anticipation, but took an L. It is what it is. Catch you guys during Asian session. Cheers, guys. Good night for now.